Doge is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Doge yesterday, we were testing a very crucial support level, and as of right now, we have a beautiful confirmation to the downside. You can see that we did have a beautiful 3-test confirmation on the support level here at 0.075, and I mentioned the fact from a bullish case scenario, it's going to be very important to see Doge actually break above this level, find this 0.08 level as support, and then a continuation. But you can see as of right now, we failed to break above even the exponential moving averages, using them as resistance as a clear confirmation. Right now, this level here at 0.064 will be acting as a very strong magnet. As you guys already know, when you break a major support level and you are in between these levels again, the overall level at the downside will be acting as a strong point for this level to be tested. And right now, Doge is looking to test our 0.06. Now, speaking about the 0.06, I wanted to talk about a few things. Number one, looking at previous price analysis, you can see that this level is a very strong resistance point, as well as the fact that it is a very strong support level. If Doge were to test that level at 0.064 and we see a break, any sort of break below that level, that support level will be invalidated as a strong support. Just like we saw over here at 0.075. I mentioned this when we broke that level all the way up from 0.11, that if this level is broken and we see any sort of wick to the downside, this would become an invalidated support. The reason why is when you are trading off major daily support levels, you don't want to see any sort of break formation after a massive move to the downside. The reason why is you can see that even RSI was already in the oversold region when we were testing this level, and we still saw that break opportunity. So right now we are looking for a very clean bounce opportunity before that continuation. If that level, of course, is broken at 0.064, then our overall level is still going to be acting as support at 0.05, because of the fact that this is a very crucial point for Doge. You can see from previous price analysis, we hovered around this level for multiple months before we finally saw that breakout formation. So right now, this is the area of interest for me. On the hourly time frames, you can see that Doge pretty much is in the same sort of situation. We are starting to create a midterm support, but we have to be very, very careful here. Before, we saw some nice areas of being tested and a strong V-shaped formation, but right now we are seeing this level act as resistance. As you guys already know, a previous support becomes new resistance, and as of right now on the hourly, we are starting to see that actually play out. You can see that our RSI is, of course, in the oversold region as well, so I would be looking to see a nice wick opportunity possibly before we continue pushing to the downside. But right now, Doge is looking extremely bearish, ladies and gentlemen. We have to be very, very careful with these EMAs. You can see that they have been acting as very strong resistance points pretty much the whole way down. So use these levels of resistance as an opportunity for you to see whether or not we will be looking for a long position. If you do want to take a long position, and of course you are looking at this from an oversold area, then you are entering a possible scalp. Only a scalping opportunity, possibly to our 20 exponential moving average, and then the continuation to the downside. But do not look for a long position in a midterm support. That is very dangerous, and you could be looking for a massive move to the downside. Use the trend as your friend. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been talking about this all the way up from 0.11, that the trend is your friend, and as of right now, with these exponential moving averages, there is absolutely no reason to be looking for a long position unless we break above that major resistance. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.